Right, as you can see, this is the Ashley Book of Knots. It's a huge book. It's a couple of inches thick at least. As you can see, it was written by Clifford Ashley in 1944. It shows every practical knot, what it looks like, who uses it, where it comes from, and how to tie it. It has 7,000 drawings representing 3,800 different knots. And basically it took this guy 11 years to write. He wrote everything, he drew all the pictures. It's really good. Now, the Ashley Book of Knots is often called the Knotter's Bible. It's I use it as a good little reference book, just having a look through every so often and seeing if I can tie anything. And yeah, it's really good. So a couple of years ago, I had a really stupid idea, which was, and I'm sure lots of people have tried this as well, see how many of these knots I can actually tie. Now there's going to be a lot that I won't be able to do. Oh look, there's a Turk's head. I'm not looking forward to doing that. But yeah, there is an awful lot of things that I'm going to try. And I thought, well, as I have a YouTube channel, I might as well record my journey going through the Ashley Book of Knots. Now that doesn't mean I won't be doing any key rings or bracelets. I will be doing key rings and bracelets, but any of the knots that I find that you see me tie will be mainly from this book. And in the titles of the videos that I will put up, it will also have ABOK number 1 or number 669 or whatever, just to let you know that they're in the Ashley Book of Knots. So there you go. Yeah, I'm not giving up bracelets or key rings or answering questions or things like that, but I will be trying to see how many of these knots I can tie. Now if you would like to buy this book, I will leave a link in the description down below and you can get one for yourself from Amazon. They are very good indeed. So yeah, you can even buy it on Kindle. So yeah, that's the Ashley Book of Knots. It's really good. Get yourself a copy, and all my knotting videos from now on will be from this book. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a quick look through this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.